in dispatches is former SDLP leader Colum Eastwood, who is here this evening. And I just thought, why don't we, since I've gone for Sean Gallagher into making a class of declaration, Colum, just some of your reflections this evening, and are you hoping to run? Are you hoping to get a nomination?
Well, after tonight, I'm not sure.
We have a clinical psychologist.
We're going to talk after this, actually. Look, I mean, a number of people from different political parties have spoken to me about it. I think they seem to have spoken to half the country. Actually, listen to all the names of people who've ruled themselves out. But it's something that's worth considering, and something that I'm considering over the next few weeks. But I think what's most important, actually, when I listen to all the discussion about what powers the President has and everything else, is what the vision the President is going to have is. And I think that is what will begin to ignite this contest, because right now, I looked at the poll in the Irish Times this morning, and nobody's too excited about this election. But in my view,
we have to read the full list again.
Well, exactly. But in my view, is the next decade in this country is going to be about how we bring this country back together again. As Mary said, we don't know each other that well. I live an hour away, and I have not a vote in this election. I don't think we should be saying not yet to that. I think we should be rushing to bring back the society together again. I sometimes think it's like children of divorced parents who never got to meet each other growing up, and now they're trying to build a relationship. And I think that is what the next president should be trying to do, is bring this country back together again. As John Hume taught me and many others, it's about uniting the people of this country, and I think that's where the debate should go. And I hope whoever the candidates are for the president will take up that mantle that I think a whole new generation are looking for somebody to raise.
Will you actively seek the nomination of councils or the established parties?
Well, look, I'm going to give the politician's answer, because I too have been a politician for a long time. We'll see. Genuinely, it is a huge thing to think about. I have a lot of work to do. I'm the MP for Derry. I'm leading the New Ireland Commission. I'm a recovering party leader. And I think, actually, we have to think about these things deeply. I think anybody, Mary I'm sure has as well,